Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Discord link to your TikTok bio. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, we're going to get our Discord link from Discord application. So I'm going to open up my Discord. If you haven't got your link on Discord, I want to show you how we can get it guys. You can enable the developer mode on Discord to get the Discord ID. You can go to your profile first and then you can click on this icon to open up the Discord settings and scroll down until you find advanced feature or advanced menu. Okay, and here you will be able to activate developer mode on Discord, and after that we're going to copy our Discord ID. You can go to your server or the server you have joined on Discord, and I'm going to open up this server. This is my own server, and I'm going to select this channel. And you need to have message in the channel, guys. If you haven't messaged or sent message here, you can send it. And then here I have sent a message, so I'm going to click on my profile like this, and we can click on the three dots. Oops, sorry. Click on the three dots, and then you can click on copy user ID. Okay, now the user ID has been copied, and I'm going to create Discord link. You just need to follow what I'm typing here. discordapp.com/users/ and paste your Discord ID. Okay, and I'm just going to copy it. Wait, I'm going to copy it to the clipboard. All right, and then we're going to open up our TikTok account and add the Discord link to our TikTok bio. Okay, I'm going to go to my profile on TikTok, and then we can select edit profile, and we're going to add a bio. And here you can paste the Discord link you have copied. Okay, and then just click on save, and the link will be added to your TikTok bio. Okay, this one. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add Discord link to TikTok bio. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!